Where are you going?
Going to Cebu.
We're going to Cebu before Dada. Hi, baby.
Hello.
We're going to Cebu to watch the Alab game, but we're gonna go first so we can go to the beach and hang out with family.
Yes!
So we're heading to the airport now.
Cebu.
Airport. Saying bye to Dada. We'll see you
I'll see you guys in a few
tomorrow.
hours.
All right, let's go. Cebu time. We're here waiting for our flight to board. What are you guys doing? Coloring.
What?
Where's your brother?
Right.
Where's Kaylin, guys?
Huh?
Where's Kaylin?
Kaylin is somewhere. I don't know where.
I think he's running around. It's time to go to the airplane.
I thought it's airport.
Gate 120. Meanwhile, morning. So it's our first morning in Cebu. This is my cousin Jen.
Good morning.
We're about to have tea and do Zumba. And the kids are over here. This is Kuya Jed. Hi, Kuya Jed.
Hi.
And Ian. Where's Ian? Morning, Kuya. And Ate Aika. She's hiding. Kiona and Kaylin are still asleep. Today, we are spending the day here at Ate Jen's resort. The Aznar Beach Resort. Kids are having fun over there. Say hi, guys!
Hi.
I'll take you guys on a tour. Tour ko sila. Oh, say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada.
Go down.
Is it fun? Okay, so my diet is not a diet today. We're eating. What is this? Ano to?
Mom's pizza.
Mom's pizza, which is really mom's bread with ketchup and cheese. And ham. I had injury earlier today. My smart self got hit by the handle of the, what do you call your jet ski? Yung standing, the standing jet ski. Because it was my first time to ride and I didn't know that if you fall off, if you try to get back on, you're supposed to hold the handle. So I slid up and then it hit me and now I have like a bloody head. So Jen's gonna check it out. Wine and cheese, mama's night. And Dada's night. Dada. Si Chard. What's that?
Parsley. For
Okay,
the
for what?
gambas.
Ooh, he's gonna cook us gambas. So, okay, let's get started. Brie, Gouda cheese, crackers. Where's the honey? Sarap. My favorite is crackers, brie, and honey. It's so yummy. And moet, yes. Pumayaman. Ayun yung honey. And truffle chips. We're making gambas for us. Ano ingredients?
Just an extra light olive oil.
Okay.
Yeah. And
That's where we're
garlic.
gonna put it.
Yeah, this is I bought it from Spain.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wala. Kailangan from Spain.
Yeah. you have to.
And then this is garlic. Wow,
Yeah.
dami garlic.
Minced garlic.
And
chopped parsley. Fresh
Okay.
fresh parsley.
And the shrimp.
Yeah, and the shrimp. That's it. And salt.
And salt.
Yeah.
I'm excited to taste that.
And there it is with bread.
Okay, so what do we do first?
Mix
You have
this.
to mix it.
Yeah, mix
Okay.
And yeah, that's enough.
So where did you learn how to make this?
In Madrid.
In Madrid.
Yeah.
Okay. Kasi guys, this couple like travels so much. How many countries have you been to? Lost count na.
Lost count na.
Parang every month you're in a different country, no? Diba? Diba?
Almost.
So, you waited for the oil to boil, and then you put the garlic,
Yes.
the parsley, and salt, no?
Yep.
Ano yan, pepper?
Yeah, pepper one. This one is.
So, you have to use extra light virgin
Yeah,
oil
yeah,
talaga.
extra light.
You can't just use, di ba may mga...
Extra virgin, no. Because the extra virgin is an aftertaste, so
Oh, okay.
That's why. Only good for salad dressing or something.
Okay. I didn't know that.
This one is for frying.
Ang extra light.
Extra light, yeah. And it doesn't have a aftertaste.
Ganun pala yan. Wow, ah. So, ito sa France mo binili? Itong lalagyan na to?
Sa Spain.
Sa Spain?
Yeah, Madrid.
Okay, what's the difference between those two shrimp?
This one, the yellow one is, the red one is cooked, and this one is raw.
Nag-shrink siya? O hindi? It's the same lang. Morning! Cebu.
Good morning.
We have a special guest. Reyna Teresita. It's her second day in Cebu.
First pa lang nga
Ate May. First niya. First
and
niya.
last.
Second namin.
Oh my gosh. Ayoko ng ganito.
So Jen, anong agenda? Oo.
Hello, nakaano talaga ha? Sexy.
Anong agenda?
Hindi niya alam na naka-post.
Hindi niya alam. Ano nga?
Sabay-sabay ko niya, hindi ko alam din.
Ano?
Ayoko na. Agenda is,
Yes.
we're gonna watch. Ano, pero naka-post.
Before the game, we're gonna go to the beach, diba?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Hindi siya pwede. Didelaying tactic ka, no? Jen! Jen! Delaying tactic ka, no? Ayaw mo talaga magpaano. Kaylin! Kaylin! Be nice. Ngayon, best friend na kayo. At Vistamar Resort. So the kids can get fresh air. Are you gonna play in the beach? Kuya?
Swim?
Not in the pool, in the beach, Kuya. Sana si Kaylin?
Ma'am, mainit
Ma'am, madam. Si madam, ayaw po.
Ayaw po kasi
Siya po yung
mainit.
pinsan namin, di
Ayaw
pwedeng
po kasi
maarawan.
na mainit, ma'am. Ma'am, yung bag niyo po akin na, ma'am.
Ano? Hi, guys. Is it nice? Is it warm or it's cold? Fiona, is the water cold? Fiona, hi. Look at Ate Aika, she's posting. bitches are singing.
Super galing. Super galing.
I'm the most patient wife in the planet, right? Baby, you don't look convinced.
I can't. I've had all this. I just can't anymore.
Okay, that wraps up our Cebu trip. How was it, Win? How was your quick trip to Cebu? Win, kamusta naman yung quick trip mo to Cebu?
So fun. Such an intense game.
Yes.
Thank you, Ate LJ.
Thank you for coming. Kiona and Ian, say bye.
Say bye.
Kaylin,
Bye.
sleeping na. Jimmy's still in the hotel, so we'll see him at the airport.